In this video, I am going to show you how you can use the Zoom application on your tablet or on your phone to ask questions or to use the chat. In a classroom, when you have a question, it's easy. You raise your hand. Well, in Zoom, you can do the same thing. Let's learn how.
To raise your hand, touch the three dots that say More. After you do, you will see this menu open. At the top, the first option says Raise Hand. Touch here. After you do, you will see a little hand next to your name. You will see the hand, your teacher will see the hand, and your classmates will also see this hand. The same way that everybody can see your hand when you are sitting in a classroom, everybody can see your hand in the Zoom classroom. When you are ready to lower your hand, touch the three dots again, and you will see the first option says Lower Hand. Touch here to lower your hand. After you do, you will see that the hand is not next to your name anymore.
Sometimes we also want to give a thumbs up. We like that idea, or we want to clap when something good happens. You can do that in the Zoom app. How do you do that? Go to More at the top right corner, More.
After you click on More, you will see there are many buttons here. These are called reactions. When you click on any of these, when you touch on any of these, they will show up next to your name. Everybody in the Zoom classroom will see your reaction. The reaction goes away on its own. You don't need to turn it off. It goes away after 5 seconds. For example, let's practice using the first one, the clapping hands.
You see my clapping hands. Everyone in the class will see the clapping hands. The clapping hands goes away after maybe 5 or 10 seconds. The same for the thumbs up. That means yes, good idea. So you need to communicate with your classmates and your teacher when you're using Zoom. Just like in class, you ask a question or you use your facial expressions to communicate with your teacher, you need to communicate using Zoom. Use the buttons, raise your hand, or ask questions in the chat. What is the chat? Chat is the message area. So you can also use the chat to answer questions or participate in a conversation or ask a question. Go to chat, click on More, and now you see the chat. Click on chat, you see this new window open, and I can type my answers here or a message like, "Hello class." I can send it to everyone in the class. Everyone can see my message. Or I can change the person. Touch everyone, and you can choose one person, only one person to chat with. For example, here, I can say, "Hello, teacher." And in this example, we see it says direct message, the letters in orange. This means that this message is a private message. Only 2 people see the message. Person who sent the message and the person who received the message. 2 people see it. But the first message was a public message. Anyone in the class can see it. So you can decide how you want to use the chat box. When you're done, touch close and the chat goes away. If you want to open it again, go to more, touch chat, and you can see the messages are here again. So, communication in Zoom is important. Use the raise hand button, use the other buttons to give a thumbs up, clap, or use the chat area to communicate with your teacher and your classmates.